Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So now what we need to do here, so we have successfully completed our API slash post. So now we'll try to implement the API slash login. So let's go to our postman. So here this is our thing, right? Let's try to save this one. And now here, let's try to create a new request here again. Create a new request here like this, add a request, fine. So here I want to do the login. Now here localhost API slash login. So whenever the user tries to do it, and this one is a post request, and here we will be trying to send the body. Okay, so we will be trying to send the body with a raw and also the JSON here. So what I will be trying to do, so whenever the user tries to send something like username Leela and also the password, also the same thing Leela, right? So this is the username and password. So whenever the user tries to send this one, so right now we are having error cannot post API slash login. Why? Because we don't have a route present and we are getting the 404 not found. So fine. So we need to design this API login. So let's go to our code here, and here I will try to do Leela JS dot route, and this one is a post request, and when the user comes to slash API post slash API slash login. So when the user comes here, so we need to get the request and also the response, and here first of all we need to capture the body. So how we can get it? So we cannot get by using the request.body like this. So here this one is a stream of data, right? Request dot on off data. So whenever you are getting the data, and here you will be getting the chunk, and here you can have something like let body is equal to empty. So for the first time you will get the body empty, and here this is the chunk you are getting, and in this one body plus is equal to chunk dot to string, and if you want you can also mention the UTF-8, that is nothing but the character encoding. Now here we got the body. So not what to do, so when the complete data has been finished, so when the request dot on off end, then what I will try to do it is, so here we will try to do constant body is equal to JSON dot parse of body. Okay, and here I will do console.log of body. That's it. So now we finish. So let's try to see whether we are able to get this body or not. So now where I will go here and I will try to make the same request. So here cannot get the response we are getting. Okay, fine. Let's go to our terminal, and here we will see. Oh, sorry, body, not the body. We will try to see here what the problem we have did it. We got the body plus is equal to, okay. So here let's try to do request body JSON dot parse of body plus is equal to check dot to string. Okay, we are able to get it, and here I will do request body. So let's try to see whether we are doing correctly or not. I will click on again the send. Okay, it is going something, request is making, and here you'll be able to see the username Leela and the password Leela. So the data we are able to receive the body. Now what we need to do, so here we need to check it, and we need to tell whether we are making the request correct, whether the username and password is correct or not. So okay, fine, let's go to our code here. So we got the request body here in this one. Now here you can get constant username is equal to request body dot username, and the constant password is equal to request body dot password. So we got the username and also the password. So now we need to check it in our users table whether it is having or not. So here you can say that constant user is equal to user details is equal to users dot find of user, where username is equal to username. So I am trying to check it with this. So now I got the username. So if user details is found, and also user details dot password is equal to password. Then what we'll try to do, so here we will send response.json. Okay, successfully logged in. So you'll send the 201 request and like this, and here you will try to send response.status. So we have the status of 401.json, and here we will show the error message that user invalid username or password. So we should not give the correct thing so that the hacker might recognize that username will exist. If you tell that invalid password means, then the hacker will decide that okay, the username is there, then he will try for the password. So if you try to give the error message something like this, so then the hacker will cannot decide username or password what it is invalid. So like this, sometimes we need to give this type of messages only. And here what we have did it, so that's it. So now here we have found these all the things. Let's try to see whether we can able to see the output or not. So now here if I try to give send, so here we are able to see the successfully logged in. Why you are getting it like something like this? Maybe I am giving okay. So here I will give message like this to send something like a JSON application /JSON. Now if you try to check the postman, here if I click to send, so now we are able to get the message something like this and 200 okay. But if I try to keep the message wrong, then we are getting 404 not found and invalid username or password. So we are able to successfully get the messages whatever we want. So this is how we will be able to do it. Now what I want to do, so we need to have another API in such a way that, so now when the user tries to get leelajs dot of get okay /API/user. So when we are now we need to get the send the so we need to send current logged in user details. So we need to send it, but we know that HTTP is a stateless protocol, so we need to somehow maintain a scenario in such a way that we need to, when the user successfully logs in, we need to capture the state. Somehow we need to maintain the state of this HTTP so that whenever the user requests the API/user, so then we need to send the current logged in user details. So in the next video what we'll try to do is we'll try to implement the concept in such a way that the HTTP, instead of having a stateless, it should be in a state, so that the client, whatever the clients it is connecting, it should be able to give the correct connected client user details whenever the user successfully logged in. So that is what we'll try to do it in the next video. So hope you understood about this one. So slowly we are progressing and we are designing our APIs and all those things. So when going on, we'll try to enhance our API, our Leela.js framework also, so that you will have a clear understanding about this one. So that's it guys about this. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.